We're going to be going to a tour today in today's guys, this is crazy. We're going to be going to a tour today in today's see, we're actually finally here and we have a big lake first, and this is only the beginning.
Nem? Ott van egy nagyobb.
Whoa, these are sick. Is the disgusting thing. Let's just look how beautiful this is. My dad's coming. My daddy coming.
2 kilométeres van, 20 kilométeres. Azért Bandi.
Ezért nem mutatta, hogy melyik a jele?
Sajnálom, már nincsen izém.
It's gonna be the trail we're gonna have to go after. It's gotta be really sick. Got the OS right there. It's also a thing we have to go after. This is amazing. It's massive. Whoa. Guys, this is crazy. Okay, let's go. Start. This is crazy, guys.
Ott megy tovább az útvonal. Ott arra kell menni.
Guys, we are so high right now. We are high up, guys. Átugorjak? Átugorjam? Okay. Okay, guys, I have to go down now. This is high. I'm gonna say like 15 feet max. It'll be 15 feet max high. This is crazy. I'm back. Look at how high we are still. I'm still coming down. I'm back. We are jumping like crazy. Look at that, dude. This is just so beautiful. This is the best. Gábor feljutott, akkor gondolom, hogy nem csúszik.
Úgy kellene, hogy...
Whoa, you hear that,
Kicsit
guys?
innen, hogy mögöttem látszik a szokcső.
Just look at this. It's crazy.
Ja?
Wow. Look at this, my guys.
Milyen vízeső?
Gábor azt
Whoa.
mondta, hogy akar egy olyan vízesést.
Whoa, guys, this is sick.
Ezért van az, hogy hiába nem is
Whoa. This is amazing, guys. It seems like we're kind of getting out of the jungle. We're gonna have to go like this, and then we're gonna have to go like a big turn then that way, and we're gonna go back like that, and then we're gonna be at the car. So it's gonna be like another 2 kilometers until we're at our house. Let's go speed, boys. I think that's like a shack down that way. It's like a thing where like their house is basically there. I think it connects to that house down that way. If you guys can't see that house, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Okay, the tree is blocking the house. So there, that house right there. And then I think this belongs to them right down that way. What we just saw. Speed edition, boys. Let's go, boys. We're about to be there. There's something there. Got like a pool right down there. And here's another waterfall. But I found another waterfall right here. This is a big waterfall. No, it's not. But still, I'm gonna show you guys this waterfall, and then let's go to that like big pool thing. Now I want to a bit more record because I don't want this video to be like only like 1 minute. It's probably gonna be like really boring, so I'm gonna make this a bit longer. So yeah, here we go. Like I'm not gonna just like pause the video and then like just make like a 2 seconds run here. Look at this pool, guys. Look at it. Probably some like. You guys see this? You guys see that? It was like flying. That was massive. It was like this big. It's massive. Look how beautiful this is. We got some more houses down that way. There's a problem down that way, I think. Something is like blocked down or something. So dust is down that way. So yeah. We're on the move here. This is gonna be a long time for us to do this. So I think if I want to have like maybe it's like a long video, it could be like 2 minutes and that's it for the video. I'm like, what the heck? You will watch a video for like 2 minutes. We want this a bit longer. Let's go. We also spot this really cool cat right up here. Yeah, she's really cute. Okay guys, I'm recording on my Pro. You guys can see things way better. If you guys are not liking it, look at how beautiful this is. Oh my god, look at it. It's literally like, I don't know. Oh, this is like light green. Look at this compared to this. Like that's sick. And look at that pool. That is just amazing. Now we're gonna start walking again. We got a long way to go. Okay guys, we're nearly inside of the jungle again. You guys will see the action in the jungle. It's getting super sick. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go, go, go. Sorry for that, but we are getting really close. Look at that bold face right there. Look at that extreme bold face. Anyways, guys, look, we're nearly in there. Yeah, we are nearly there. Look at that. This is how much we're going. Every single second of this. You guys are on my head right now. This is how fast we are moving every single step. Like, this is tiring. This is tiring. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. We're inside. Okay, before we go in, like totally, just look at how cool this looks. I always love to plant stuff and everything. Look at how great this is. We're the farmer, bruh. He got like all of this to feed to the chickens. I guess how much eggs he's gonna get, and God needs how much money he's gonna get. Sure. Okay guys, we have been going for now 2 hours. I'm sweating and I am super tired right now. I really want us to go home now, but we got a long way to go now. We have been now walking for 3 and 5 kilometers, bro. 5. It's crazy, and we still have like another 6 to go. I'm getting really tired right now. I'm gonna go sleep when we get home. This is kick.
Ezen átjöttünk.
Wait, what? You're in the forest right now. I'm getting really tired, so my dad had to bring my bag. But I am really tired right now. I have like 7 kilometers run. Look at this, guys. What is this?
Cipőmben ki kell önteni meg a kavicsot. Jövünk! Ide is van írva valami park. Ez Weidenhez, mi?
Pók kirohanna belőle, nézd bele ott. Van a pókfészek, ott van benne.
Mondd el,
Floss for Nicholas Berg.
ide is jó
Ilyen a
eljönni.
templom, mi?
A boda ellen, nem?
So yeah, guys, I go down here like this 15-foot tall area. It's crazy. I'm literally.
Út van egy vár, igen, az is fönn volt, hogy ezt is meg lehet nézni.
I'm literally shaking, bro. We are so freaking high. Just joking, guys. That's not even tall. Just like look at how tall this is. Look, it's not even tall. But if I go up, it's gonna be like, looking so tall. This. Oh, we're gonna go back the way now. We're gonna go back. This is just the best. Watching waterfall is just so satisfying. This is amazing!
De milyen kis szigeteket csináltak tőle. Ott látod, hogy? Tele van tavirózsával. Ez biztos szép, mikor nyílik a tavirózsa, mi?